Listen to this. Have you ever felt that you left your car down? The car that sparked your passion for Honda. The car that brought new people into your life. Made you laugh, maybe even made you upset. The car you nurtured, cherished, and drove with all your pride. The car that made you even start the YouTube channel, where you documented all your journey, the ups and downs, the good stuff and the bad stuff, where you learned to be patient and not get annoyed with the British weather. The car that made you join car communities, find new people who shared the same passion. Their support and encouragement kept you motivated, and you made some friends along the way. As Clarkson once said, people like you and I know we have an unshakable belief that cars are living entities. You can develop a relationship with a car, and that's what non-car people don't get. But life has a way of shifting gears unexpectedly. Responsibilities start piling up, family to care for, bills to pay, people depending on you. That's when the grind of the routine and the burdens of responsibility began to overshadow the fervor, the passion. Yes, I parked there, telling myself I'll come back. But days turned into months, months into years. The once gleaming exterior dull under the thick blanket of dust. The engine, once vibrant, now silent. The roar of VTEC, just a distant memory. Yet, every now and then, I wander into that barn. I brush my hand along the faded paint, a pang of nostalgia echoing through my heart. There she is, waiting patiently, a silent reminder of a love that never truly fades. In the quiet of the barn, amidst the cobwebs and shadows, I find the flicker of that old spark, a promise to myself that maybe one day I'll turn the key, feel the whir of life surge through those old parts, and wrinkle the passion I thought that was lost. Because true love, even for a car, never really dies. It just waits for the right moment to reborn. That is when something shifts. The dust might have settled, but it's time to brush it off and get back to work. Think about it. Cars are more than metal and engines. They are bridges, connecting people. They spark friendship at car meets, create shared memories on road trips, and form communities both offline and online. But there's another side to it. Cars can be powerful tools for mental health. Working on a car, the focus and hands-on activity can be incredibly therapeutic. It's a way to escape from daily stress, channel energy into something tangible, and find a sense of accomplishment and joy. So next time you pop the hood, just remember, it's not just about the car, it's about nurturing your mind and soul to it. So to all the petrol heads, gear heads, and car lovers, remember, it's not just about the machine, it's about the friendships.